Globaliptrust presents the Can-Am Ryker. This is the Can-Am Ryker, a super agile, supped-up trike that gives you the rush and thrill of a motorcycle, with the safety and stability of a three-wheeler. The Ryker is created by BRP. The makers of the Ryker wanted a vehicle that could give the adrenaline rush of a motorcycle while keeping the rider safe. The end product was a powerful and super safe trike with a stunning design. The Ryker is powered by the Rotax 600 or 900 two-cylinder AC engines, which gives anyone a powerful experience. The Ryker features a special type of transmission called twist and go. It is an automatic transmission system that shifts gears as you twist the lever on the handlebar. This allows you to keep your mind on the road and not worry about anything else. The Ryker is completely customizable and also features a U-Fit system. U-Fit is an ergonomic feature that allows for adjustable foot pegs and the handlebar so that it fits your riding style. The minimal design also allows for an eco-friendly vehicle. It also features various mounting options so that you can customize the Ryker in any way you want. With the Can-Am Ryker, you are fully equipped to conquer any challenge. For more information on the Can-Am Ryker, visit canam.brp.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.